Hello students, today's biology topic is life processes. I am going to cover the topic under two heads, namely introduction and autotrophic nutrition. What is life processes? It is simply the maintenance of life function when nothing is being done. What do you mean by nothing is being done? That means the living organism is not doing any activity such as moving around, sitting, standing, or waving hands or anything running. So when the organism is not doing actively doing anything, then whatever processes are carried out are called as life processes. Now the life processes varies a little bit between the animals and the plants. The animals and the plants carry out respiration, that is breaking down of complex substances into simpler form using oxygen, and also in case of animals digestion takes place, whereas in the case of plants there is conversion of one form of chemical substance into another. After the digestion there is excretion. In case of plants there is transpiration, and photosynthesis is carried out in plants, whereas in case of animals excretion, circulation is also involved. So on and so forth. Both animals and plants have various metabolic processes. Now, all these processes require nutrition, external source of nutrition. The nutrition is usually carbon based compounds. Now, in case of unicellular organism where there is only one cell involved, then there is no problem. The nutrients can easily pass through, and these metabolic processes can happen in between in the organelles, and whatever is not required is easily excreted out. But in case of multicellular organisms, one has complex organ systems, and those organ systems are broken down into organs and tissues, followed by cells. So whatever nutrition is taken up has to be penetrated till the cellular level. So this requires transportation or translocation in case of plants. Now this translocation and transport occurs, after which metabolic processes where there are chemical reactions taking place, one form of chemical compound is converted to another form, which also involves digestion, physical breakdown of the bigger molecules to smaller molecules, and finally it is excreted. Now the first phase of the life process is nutrition. So nutrition in case of animals is heterotrophic, that is animals are dependent on other organisms for their food, whereas plants can synthesize their own food. Autotrophic, own food synthesis takes place, and this is done by a process called photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the conversion of inorganic compounds to organic molecules. Now what are the inorganic compounds involved is carbon dioxide and water to give glucose, C6H12O6, and this process takes place in chlorophyll, requiring sunlight. So you put in a simple way, carbon dioxide and water gets converted to a carbohydrate, and This happens in the presence of chlorophyll that is present in the leaf and in the presence of sunlight. So inorganic molecules, carbon dioxide and water, gets converted to glucose. Thank you.